Hey guys, today we are making these chocolate hazelnut donuts. They are fluffy, moist, chocolatey, nutty, and so good. They are also vegan, gluten-free, refined sugar-free, and healthy. I'll also show you how to make this delicious, creamy, date-sweetened Nutella that goes both inside and on top of the donuts. Please like and subscribe and follow my Instagram and TikTok for more healthy recipes. And I'll show you how to use this healthy Nutella in more creative ways. So first we are going to start off by making our healthy Nutella. You'll want to pit 18 dates. This is how you pit it. And just soak them in boiling water for around an hour or in cold water overnight. Meanwhile, we're going to roast our nuts. Spread your hazelnuts on a baking sheet and roast them. This gives them such a nice roasted, toasty flavor. And just rub their skins off by placing them in a clean towel and rubbing. It's okay if some skin is still on. Place the roasted hazelnuts in a food processor and blend until it becomes smooth and runny. This may take a while, so please be patient. Refer to this video on more info about nut butters. Now you have hazelnut butter. We're going to transform this into Nutella. Add your soaked dates into the food processor, along with cacao powder, and your milk of choice. Add some vanilla extract for flavor, and salt to balance out the sweetness. Blend until completely smooth and until it becomes super creamy. This may also take a while. Please be patient. This is the texture you're going for. This is honestly so good, I could eat it by the spoonful. And now you can transfer this into a jar and store it in the fridge for up to a month. Now we are going to bake this into chocolate hazelnut donuts. So first preheat the oven and grease your donut pan with oil. You can also use a silicone donut mold. I'm using these foil ones and I'll link where to buy it below. We are going to make a flax egg by combining ground flax or chia seeds with water. If you are not vegan, you can just use a regular egg, add it to the wet ingredients later. And we're going to mix this up and set aside to gel for 10 minutes while we measure the other ingredients. For the dry ingredients, add oat flour to a medium bowl. Click on the eye to watch how to make your own oat flour. Next, add in your leaveners, baking powder and baking soda, which will help make the donuts fluffy. Add some salt to enhance the flavor, and just mix that together. Make sure there are no lumps of leaveners and stuff, that would taste bad. For the wet ingredients, add milk of choice to a medium bowl. And now add in your healthy Nutella, which we made earlier. It firmed up after chilling in the fridge. Now add in the vinegar. This reacts with the baking soda, making the donuts super tender and fluffy. Add vanilla extract for flavor. Now add in your flax egg. It should have gelled up nicely like this. You can also use a normal egg if you're not vegan. Just mix the wet ingredients together until smooth. Add your dry ingredients to the wet and mix until fully incorporated. Spoon the batter into your donut tins and bake them until cooked through. Allow them to cool for 3 minutes before transferring to a wire rack to cool completely. We will glaze these donuts with the healthy Nutella, so add your healthy Nutella into a bowl and melt in the microwave until it becomes more runny. And just dip the donuts in the Nutella, letting the excess drip off, and place it back on your cooling rack. Sprinkle them with chopped roasted hazelnuts for some crunch, and enjoy. These are so delicious, not too sweet, perfectly baked donuts. The texture is tender and fluffy, and it has a rich Nutella flavor. Please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching!